As you see, there's snow on the ground. It's cold. It's 6:39 in the morning. I'm tired. I'm packing my bag currently. Get ready to leave later today. It's gonna be a fun one, but a cold one. Yeah. Gonna grab 2 pairs goggles to be safe. I'm gonna grab these bad boys up here. Grab these bad boys right here. Can't ever be too safe with goggles. This is weird. I'm never gonna get used to vlogging. It's gonna be weird. Ready to rip. Let's go, dude. Just getting ready to leave. Bikes are in the back there. We got the 2008 Honda CRF 450 and the 2023 KX 250F. Ready to race this weekend, dude. It's gonna be such a cold one though. Let's get right into it though.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stumble road, I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready. Ooh, you and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow.
After driving 6.5 hours, we finally made it to the hotel. It's actually a really nice hotel, and I'm gonna take a nap on that bed right there for about 12 hours till I have to go race. Easy as that. Nice.
I just smacked my head.
Oh wait, CRF 450. Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh, and it's off.
She gone.
Oh, TTR. Oh, YZ 125. KX 250.
Look at the new gear. Alright.
Looking sweet.
Baller on a budget.
Baller on a budget. Let's see the gear, bud. Show off the gear.
What?
Show off the gear.
Show off the gear?
Ooh, it's so windy.
Should I go put this on my bed? shot, Lawrence, and I'm about to pull a hard shot.
Just finished my first big boy race. As you can see, I got a little bit of dirt on my face. Very fun overall day, and I guess ready for the next one.